Hello, students. Good evening for all of you. Before this, we discuss about tenses. We just discuss about three tenses and their 12 parts. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is sentences. First, before we start that, we should know about the meaning of sentence. Sentence means a group of words is called sentence. अल्फाज के मजमुए का नाम जुमला है. Okay, students, just listen carefully. Sentences. Group of words is called sentence. अल्फाज के मजमुए को जुमला कहते हैं. टेंसेस के बाद सेंटेंसेस अहमियत के हामिल होते हैं. काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. जुमले के अक़साम. There are 4 kinds of sentences. Number 1, declarative और assertive sentence. इसे उर्दू में एलानिया या इकरारिया कहते हैं. What is declarative sentence? That declares or asserts is called declarative or assertive sentence. For example, number 1, Tom is interested in politics. Number 2, they are present in the class. Sky is blue. All these are declarative or assertive sentences. If the sentences do not give proper meanings, they are not called sentence. For example, blue the sky is. It is not giving proper meanings. ये जुमला सही मानी नहीं बता रहा है, इसलिए ये जुमला नहीं कहा जाएगा. Is it clear? Number 2, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. उर्दू में इसे सवालिया या इस्तफ़हामी कहते हैं. इस्तफ़हामी कहते हैं. A sentence that asks question is called an interrogative sentence. In this sentence, we find WH, the sentence which is start from WH, how, why, when, where, etc. Or sometimes we start from the helping verbs also. Is, are, am, was, were, will, shall, can, etc. and do, did, does. The sentences begin with this, that is interrogative sentence. Example, why are you wearing a coat? Number 2, is it raining? Number 3, do you want to be an engineer? Is it clear? Are you understanding? Imperative sentence. In Urdu, hukm, farman. A sentence that contains orders or request is called an imperative sentence. Example, find the place there. Second example, please attend the meeting tomorrow. Number 3, kindly help me in my studies. In this way, we have understood, after seeing these examples which are connected to imperative sentence and where we find orders, command, request, advice, suggestions, etc. Is it clear? My dear students, we have completed third example. Now, 4 exclamatory sentence. In Urdu, Fujaiya Istejabi, a sentence that expresses a sudden feeling or emotion is called an exclamatory sentence. Example: how beautiful the waterfall was. What a great poet Sir Milton was. In this way, we just see alas, wow, ouch. Such a words are found here in exclamatory sentences. In this way, we have discussed all 4 kinds of sentences. Is it clear? Have you understood? No. Today we have just discussed about the sentence as well as its kinds. Is it clear? Okay. My dear students, if you have any queries or doubt, you can ask me in comments. Inshallah, all the doubts will be clarified. Thanks.